Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak about tips and tricks with Unreal Engine, and we will speak about a lot of things, how to create your shortcut, how to add and use a lot of keywords in Unreal Engine. Today we will speak about all of this setting. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and let's get started. First of all, we have a lot of things and setting and interface in Unreal Engine. So how can I use all of them just with one click in Unreal? Just we need to go to, if you need to see all of this setting, you can go to Edit and Preferences. So under General, we have keyboard shortcut. So this all of shortcut you can add or change, or you can do anything as you like. For example, edit, for example, find, you can go to shared and you can change just you can here and write your click, for example, Ctrl Y, and just you can add your shortcut. Now save and close your keyboard window. So in this video we'll speak about general shortcut key in Unreal. So for example, if you need to go to for example, in your scene you need to go to this mesh, for example, you can go just here and go in shortcut, you can F, you can go to your model, for example. Now you can F anywhere, you can go, just you don't need to move your camera like this and go like this, just like F, and you can go to your model. So if someone is working in this sequence and someone is working in level, and just he need to if someone working in this sequence and he need to save, just if you come here and save current, maybe you save this, make sure you save this level only, but you didn't save any material, you didn't save any change in your assets for your project. So how can I save all assets? Just you need to go to file and save all. So how can I use it with shortcut? Just you can come here, Control and Shift and S. If you click here, Control Shift S, you will save all assets and material and all level with just one click. So sometime I need to here, and I need to see where is it, in which folder. We have a lot of folders here. So if I need to go to where is it in my project, you need to select and go to, and you need to go to find mesh. So we spent just 3 steps, but with one step, just you need to click here and control, just in one click you need to Control P, appear for you. Now if you need to go here, you Control B, your project come here. Now with easy way, now Control P, this your model, you can say where is it with easy way. Sometime if I need to go to Control E, if you need to open this project, and maybe if you want to make canvas collision, or you can play with your setting, just you can come here, or you can right click and browse asset, or edit asset. Now you can here right click and edit, or if you need to go to browser, just right click and Control B, and you can come here. The important thing, I like to play with it in Unreal Engine. Sometime I found this view is nice for me, and I save this view to maybe I can animate it later. So if I need to save this location, you can come here and go to bookmark, and add set bookmark like this. Okay, so if I come here and I need to second view, for example, like this, you can come here and set bookmark number 2. So if I need to go the first bookmark, just you need to right click in your keyboard 1 or 2. Okay, so you can, this is 0, this is 1. So if you need to make more, the perfect shortcut for your, if you need to add this third one, you can just click Control in keyboard and number 3, for example. And if you come here, Control 4, and if you need to go there, Control 5. So if I need to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can go to any camera, so you don't need to waste your time in play with camera. Just if I need to go there, 4, 5, 3, you can change your view as you like, or you can get it from here, bookmark, jump to 0, 1, 2, 3 as you like. So if you need to clear all of them, just you need to come here and clear all bookmark and start from 0, or you can replace it. Number 3, I like to use it in Unreal Engine. Sometimes you need just to move your mouse like this to go to sometime here. The easy way to use your camera, just right click with your mouse and hold on, and you can come here and press W, S to back, or right, WASD, you can remove and go here and play with your camera. Just you can hold on in mouse, right click, and you can go. If you need to come down, just right click and E up, Q down. And if you need to change your angle view with camera, just you need to Z, look, and C, Z, and C, and you can change your angle like this. Okay, so again, Z, look for our, or you can see a little bit to change your location angle for your camera. This is very nice. I like it to use it in Unreal Engine. So sometimes I need to play and test my location. How can I do this? Just you can Alt and P, and you can play your game, and or you can press escape to stop simulation. Sometimes I need to make full screen to see all of these assets and play with it without showing any menu or any something like this. So you can F11 and you can play and hide all assets. Just you need to see your level without any menus to disturb you. So this is part 1. I like to speak about a lot of shortcut key, but I think maybe the time of video we can make part 2 and part 3 to speak about all of this shortcut. Just I use it. This is the end of part 1, and I will make part 2 and part 3 to speak about all of this setting with Unreal Engine. If this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like for my video. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.